I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to stay updated on your transactions with Ally, enabling notifications is a great way to keep track. Here is how to do it step by step. Step 1. Log into your Ally account. Open your web browser or the Ally app and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you have a stable internet connection for a smooth experience. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the screen, often represented by a gear icon. Step 3. Select Notification Preferences. In the settings menu, look for the option labeled Notification Preferences or something similar. Click on it to access your notification settings. Step 4. Enable Transaction Notifications. Within the notification settings, find the section for transaction notifications. Toggle this switch to enable notifications for transactions, ensuring you select your preferred method email or SMS. Step 5. Save your changes. After enabling the notifications, don't forget to save your changes. Look for a Save button at the bottom of the settings page to ensure your preferences are updated. Remember, if you don't see the notification options, it might be worth checking for any app updates or logging out and back in again. Happy banking!